Dans l'actualité également, le Centre Pasteur du Cameroun a 60 ans, moment de célébration pour l'institution sanitaire. L'événement a pour slogan 60 ans d'excellence en biologie accessible à tous. Ce mardi, l'essentiel des activités commémoratives porte sur la rencontre des directeurs des instituts Pasteur. Notre reporter Sidoine Monkam est sur place pour d'autres détails.
Bonjour à vous Nicole Doudou, nous sommes au Centre Pasteur du Cameroun qui dès ce 12 novembre entame 2 semaines de célébration de son 60e anniversaire, 2 semaines d'intenses activités marquées par les assises des 32 directeurs généraux du réseau des instituts Pasteur. Et il faut dire que c'est une rencontre qui se tient chaque année et que le Cameroun a l'honneur d'abriter pour la première fois. Et ces 51e assises donnent ainsi l'occasion de célébrer les 60 ans d'existence de ce laboratoire national de référence dans la recherche pour le développement de la santé. L'événement est couplé à l'inauguration du bureau national du Centre Pasteur du Cameroun, né de l'union entre les gouvernements français et camerounais. On note donc plusieurs fortes présences ici, parmi lesquelles celle du président du conseil d'administration et du directeur général de l'Institut Pasteur de Paris. L'événement ici est présidé personnellement par le ministre de la Santé publique, le docteur Manaouda Malachi. Et en direct du Centre Pasteur, je suis Sidoine Monkam pour la CRTV.
Thank you very much, Sidoine Monkam, and we stay there at the Centre Pasteur, a health research facility reputed for fighting infectious diseases in Cameroon and beyond, which is 60 years. And the event
So we are bringing together all the directors of the institute around the world, and it is the opportunity first to discuss about our progress during the past years, and it's also an opportunity to discuss about the new strategy. So we need the strategy together according to each region to see what we will do and to better give the response of the health needs in the countries.
Now, the Minister of Public Health, Manaouda Malachi, has just inaugurated a new building constructed by the center. What will the building be used for?
Yeah, you know, we are the reference lab. So our main focus is to improve our platform. So this new building is also to have new platform, access to new tools to always improve our diagnosis and to better respond to the public health needs. You know, we are hosting many reference labs with all endemic or with the risks of endemic diseases. So we need this new platform. There will be an insectarium. There will be the development of research in malaria and this laboratory, so that we will more develop new tools for diagnosis.
Now, 60 years of existence, what can you concretely say you have achieved?
Yeah, so after 60 years, so as I say, our main focus is laboratory. So you saw the progress progressively to give to access to the population new platform. What we are doing is always based on research, and through this all these years we gave data to the Ministry of Health. If you can take the example of hepatitis, you know 3 years ago it was not, drugs was not accessible to population. Based on our results, we give data to the Ministry of Health to know exactly what is the prevalence of hepatitis in Cameroon. Based on this data, the ministry can build his advocacy so that we can reduce price and make the drug accessible to. So what we are doing all these 60 years, and we will continue to improve our platform so that the ministry always have good data to build a strategy of development to ease access and care to populations.
Dr. Sarah Iyango, thank you very much for talking to us.
Okay, thank you too.
Over to you.